If you've ever serviced or replaced radius rods on a Maverick R, you know how quickly a simple job can be a major headache. The factory mounting nuts are tack welded to a bracket that connects two of them together. The OEM bolts also have a bunch of red Loctite on them. The easiest and best way to remove them is to heat the bolt head up to soften the Loctite, then remove it with a ratchet and a socket. Even with taking proper precautions, the OEM hardware is still prone to breaking the welds away from that bracket, causing your nut to spin on the backside. What should be a really straightforward service suddenly becomes a frustrating battle with inaccessible hardware. This retainer system was designed to eliminate that problem. The Shift Performance Labs Radius Rod Nut Retainer Kit captures the mounting nuts inside the steel retainers. The integrated hex lock design keeps the nuts from spinning while the retainers are installed using bolts instead of one-time use rivets. This allows you to maintain full serviceability whenever future maintenance is required. These retainers are all laser cut, welded, zinc plated, and include the installation hardware as well as M14 flange nylock nuts. These will work with both OEM and aftermarket radius rods. They also install into the chassis with no additional modifications beyond removing the OEM rivets, brackets, and nuts. Each retainer is cut, welded, and assembled right here in the USA. We offer a lifetime warranty on the retainers against defects or failure. Replacement hardware is also available when it's time to service the M14 nuts. So whether you're racing, trail riding, or simply maintaining your Maverick R properly, this is one of those upgrades you'll appreciate every time the radius rods need service. You can find them right now at UTVRaceShop.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.